Hey, what's up? Do you ever feel like everyone around you is learning faster than you? Well, what if I told you there's a way to learn anything faster than everyone? Sounds crazy, right? But trust me, it's actually possible, and today I'm going to show you how. I'm Kayla, by the way, and I'm going to teach you my Einstein techniques I use to top my class when learning faster. So, here's the thing. Learning isn't just about putting in more hours. It's about learning smarter, not harder. Think about it. We've all been stuck trying to memorize a ton of stuff, but what if we could skip that struggle and actually enjoy the process? Let me tell you, it starts with understanding how your brain works. You see, we all have the same brain capacity, but it's all about using the right techniques. Imagine this. If you focus on one thing at a time, really dive deep into it, and connect it to something you already know, boom, you're already ahead. Step 1. Focus on one thing at a time. Multitasking might seem like a superpower, but it actually slows you down. Think about trying to learn a new language while texting or checking your social media. Your brain gets distracted and can't truly focus. Instead, dedicate time to just one thing. For example, if you're learning Spanish, don't try to memorize vocabulary, grammar, and pronunciation all at once. Pick one area, like vocabulary, and really soak it in. Step 2. Make connections to what you already know. Our brains are like giant networks of ideas. So, when you can link something new to something familiar, you're making the learning process way easier. For instance, if you're learning about the solar system and you already know a lot about the Earth, use that knowledge to understand the other planets. Compare them to Earth in terms of size, atmosphere, or temperature. It'll stick faster. Step 3. Use short, focused bursts. Forget about hours of nonstop studying. The secret is to study in short, intense bursts. Try something like the Pomodoro technique. Study for 25 minutes, take a 5-minute break, and repeat. These bursts help your brain stay fresh and focused. So, for example, if you're trying to learn how to code, focus for 25 minutes on writing basic code, then take a short break to clear your head. You'll find that you can absorb information much quicker this way. And here's a secret. It's all about consistency. You don't need hours of studying. Just short, focused bursts, like 20 minutes at a time. That's it. So, if you're tired of feeling behind, try these small changes and watch how quickly you start picking things up. So until now, as always, I'm Kayla, and we'll see you Pharaohs next time.